Hi, my name's Anthony with ARCM Roofing. I'm out here with Trish and Chris, homeowner of a beautiful home out in Castle Rock. We're also out here with Jake, can't forget Jake. But we just wanted to ask you and kind of inform others what we're doing. We upgraded the shingle to the Class 4 shingle. We've got a skylight, and we had to replace some decking as well that needed to be replaced. And just wanted to get it a thumbs up to tell other folks what we've done, and what do you think?
Well, we love the quality, the professionalism, and the timely manner. So, and the guys were great. You know, they respected our property.
Perfect. I thank you, and I thank you, Chris, as well. My name is Anthony with ARCM Roofing, and I just wanted to give you an idea of what homeowners are saying about the ARCM. I can be reached at 303-306-8334. I also can be reached at www.arcmroofing. Say, Chris, I appreciate it 100%. Thumbs up. Is that a thumbs up? Thumbs up it is. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.